How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your PXN V9 not working on your Xbox. So of course, we have to troubleshoot this, ensure that the original Xbox controller is completely powered off before connecting it to the wheelbase using a data transfer capable USB device. So you want to use a USB cable that's basically capable enough to transfer data, not just a charging cable. So the first thing that you want to do is to turn off your original Xbox controller. From there, you want to connect the pedals and shifter directly into the ports of the back of your wheelbase right here. So just connect this one and this one onto the back of the controller, which is going to be right here. And after connecting that, you now want to link the turned off Xbox controller to the USB port on the back of the wheelbase using a data compatible wire or cable. So just connect your controller onto the wheelbase, and from there we then want to plug the wheel main USB into the USB port on your Xbox. So directly plug the wheelbase to the USB port of your Xbox, so you will be able to find that at the front of the actual Xbox. And then the last thing that you want to do is to just press the mode button on your steering wheel, and the wheel's blue or green indicator light will stay solid, confirming a successful link. So you will be able to find that right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.